Introducing the all-new 2026 Volvo XC70, a long-range plug-in hybrid that blends Volvo's Scandinavian elegance with powerful electrified performance. Built on the next-gen scalable modular architecture, the XC70 delivers over 200 kilometers of pure electric range under CLTC testing, Volvo's longest to date. Volvo reinterprets the XC70 heritage, once a rugged estate, now a modern midsize SUV. The design is clean, confident, and unapologetically Scandinavian. A sweeping roofline, sharply sculpted shoulders, and rational simplicity rendered in premium detail. At the front, Volvo introduces a shield-like closed grille, echoing its electric EX90 and EX30 models. An active grille shutter behind it adjusts airflow for improved aerodynamics and thermal efficiency. The familiar Thor's hammer LED signature lights now include matrix LED technology, smart adaptive beams that enhance both safety and presence. From the rear, the vertical C-shaped LED taillights blend seamlessly into the tailgate, giving the XC70 a modern and cohesive look, further reinforced by a sleek light bar. Step inside and the XC70 interior embodies quiet luxury. The cabin features clean lines, premium materials, and smart layout cues. At the heart is a 15.4-inch center touchscreen, landscape-oriented for intuitive access to climate, navigation, and infotainment controls. A 12.3-inch digital driver display ensures critical data stays within the driver's line of sight. For those seeking next-level immersion, an optional 92-inch augmented reality head-up display projects essential info, speed, directions, right into the driver's field of vision. The cabin's design philosophy emphasizes calmness and thoughtful storage. Soft touch surfaces, ambient lighting, and sensory tuning for the audio system heighten the overall experience, making both daily commutes and road trips more relaxed. The 2026 Volvo XC70 Plug-in Hybrid embodies the best of both worlds. Pure electric quiet for daily drives, intelligent hybrid flexibility for long journeys, and enduring Volvo safety and design. Its Scandinavian elegance, spacious cabin, and next-gen tech make it a compelling bridging car for those not yet ready for full electrification. Thanks for watching this visual review. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit subscribe for more electric and hybrid automotive highlights.